Hello world. Today is Sunday, August 10, 2025. It's around 3 p.m. and this is another vlog, a 10-minute unedited talk about what is top of mind. I am this beautiful Patong beach. It's amazing here. Those mountains here are so amazing. Here's the beach. So what is top of mind? And so today I've been working on Lumi iOS app and creating this view of your time logging. So what this app does, as I mentioned before, to reiterate, it's about very easy voice first time tracking everything you're doing in a day, in all your days, and visualizing this. So right now today I've been working on the visualizing the stack, the list of your all the things you did today in the 15-minute increments. So I'm using Cursor for this, and it's amazing. We no longer have to write code; we just prompt code. So next is I started creating the Lumi desktop app, which will allow you to have control of your MacBook, and it records all of your activity on your laptop. So you have a searchable history of your whole all your activity. So the thing about this app is that it's a big strategic step forward, putting LLM into control over your MacBook. And so what this will require is a context about your desktop, and control to click and type. And then what you can have is you create a task, say I want to build this Lumi app code. So it will use my Cursor app to just prompt it to create the changes the features that I defined. So then it will create this job, and then it will create a loop of evaluating actions, and then observing the output, and then correcting to make decisions about where to click and what to type. So it's a huge leverage. It gives you an immense leverage, and it doesn't make sense to work on anything other than this AI app that controls your MacBook. And so this is the core focus for today. I have luminalog.com, the domain name of the website. This is working live right now, and I use it every day. And so my strategy right now is focus all my attention on Lumi, and do a lot of marketing. Second is to ship new updates on AvaCreator. And the AvaCreator is a very beautiful app too. What it does is allows you to create AI art very easily with your phone. So this is super streamlined about getting all the latest models and making all of them easily available and at the lowest price for content creators, for artists. So the key here is social media marketing and daily posting on this. So I am really focused on creating the posts, social media posts for this, and improving the UI. So one thing that I really realized recently is you have to really be building in public. There's such an immense value in just articulating and explaining what you did to the camera or to the public, and being able to come back to it a couple of days later, months later, years later, you see your body of work. So it's absolutely critical to be shipping daily vlogs, reels, TikToks, and like blogs, content about what you're working on, like what you have learned, what you've created, and like taking pride in like your professional output and your body of work. So for me, this is like my core kind of like real insight I had very recently. Something I've been really thinking a lot about, how I can move forward with this. So I talked about Lumi, I talked about Ava Creator, and now Manifestly. Manifestly is like this all-in-one app that I have, and what I'm doing right now on my to-do list for this is there's a bug with the chat with the AI, and second with like building a strategy, creating a strategy of go-to-market, how Manifestly can generate revenue. So right now it's like a free app, and it has like all these like things like AI characters. So I like AI characters. It has like manifestation tools, like helping you to manifest your goals. So it has like affirmations and like notifications that get sent to you, and then it also has a list of other AI tools like YouTube summary. So for right now, I was like really intending to like break it up into separate apps and like roll back all the features, but really I'm really now leaning towards coming to the conclusion that I should just like keep it as it is and refine it, improve it, just iterate on it, and just don't take a step back with in terms of functionality. Just keep improving it and keep marketing it and keep presenting some kind of like offer. Keep iterating on the offer and not worry so much about like the features. Like make the features really good. Yeah. So that's Manifestly. It's like I'm going to focus on, I want really like the AI characters like part, which will allow you to talk to all these kinds of like fictional people and historical people, which is like very powerful. So having the chat and having the voice there. So next I talked about Lumi, Ava Creator, Manifestly, and now Imagim. And here it's quite a nice app, and what it needs is a longer transcription, a longer visualization track. So how it works is you create like a goal, and then you create visualizations, which you visualize the scene of you like having accomplished this goal. And then third, it generates you an audio file that you can listen to of the spoken word of this kind of visualization with like a background audio. So right now it generates like a minute-long video, and now I'm going to extend it to have an option for like a longer one, like a 10-minute, 15 and 20-minute, 30-minute one, so that you can like be driving and listening to the visualizations, and then like make them more easily playable, so that there's like a visualization player inside the app. So, and then this one really does need like social media marketing because it's really powerful. It's a really powerful, good app. So next, Dream Runner, the Vision Pro app. I'm really like really passionate about this app. Right now it generates a 3D world. Next is like generating stories, like a fictional story with the 360 environment and fictional characters that you can interact with, 3D avatars, and then multiplayer support for Vision Pro. So ending it here, as always, with a few minutes of sending peace and love, thoughts and vibrations, frequencies to you. Peace. Peace.